How do you find a good dentist? Well, I'm going to give you my philosophy on what makes a good dentist. And I'm going to say this is that you want to make sure that the philosophy is to do more good than harm, who's not happy to just go start drilling on things and doing things that are necessary. So you want to be as non-invasive as possible to make sure you can treat the problem. Now here's the deal. A solution that I can provide to people is not right for everybody. Every unique individual has its own unique solution based upon the tools I can actually offer. And so how do I know what your goals, challenges, or where you want to be in the future what that looks like? Is that the dentist, a good dentist, has to ask the right questions to make sure they understand your needs. So ask the right questions and also being non-invasive as much as possible. Lastly, I would say is you want a partner in your healthcare, a partner in your dental care. You don't want somebody who's going to talk down to you. You want to talk with you, collaborate with you, help you understand the situation based upon the way you speak, what words you decide to use. And really, from there, yeah, there's technical skills. Someone can hold the hand piece and know how to do a real proper filling, do nice veneers and crowns and do implants. Yes, that's very important as well. But that doesn't make you a good dentist though. In fact, I can argue that if you do the three things I just mentioned, they'll make you a great dentist. Even if you were fair at doing the things that a dentist should be really great at. Because let's face it, in dental school, there's people who are on the bottom of the class, and there's people who are on top of the class, and there's average people. And the reason why you have average is because more than half of the people are below, and more than half are above that average. And so you want to be able to communicate. That's what a good dentist does, is communicate, ask the right questions, non-invasive, and speak your language. Hope that helps. I hope that's what you value in selecting a partner in your dental care, your health care, because it's very, very important that you do that. You want to make sure, and another thing too, you want to make sure they can actually critically think. Not only ask the right questions to you, but ask the right questions about the situation. That way they come up with a proper diagnosis, proper treatment. And if you can't critically think about what's causing the stress, causing your issues, that's not really good, is it? All right. Questions about anything, let me know. Comments, if you think I'm right, I'm wrong, it's all good. But no, I'm just a friendly dentist, casual guy who just likes to walk his neighborhood. All right. Until next time.